Hey everybody, it's day 12 of my little video thing, and yeah, just gonna start working. First thing on today's list is cleaning a bunch of filthy cartridges. Let's check out what we got. You got a sweet old Yoshi story with some sticker residue on there. A golden guy that's pretty clean already. We got a Great Waldo Search, copy of Mario World with some dirty old grime on it, and another copy of Mario World with a different kind of grime. And a Mystic Quest with a little bit of a peeling label. We got a sweet copy of the original Mario Bros. Turtles, the original one. Good luck beating the underwater level. Best of luck. Good luck. If you beat the underwater level, put it on your resume. You're gonna get infinity jobs because you're capable of anything. Clash of Demon Head. Clash of Demon Head. Vic Tokai. I thought that was like one dude back in the day. Like, this dude named Vic just made a shit ton of Nintendo games. Who knew? It's an actual company. The Immortal. I'm pretty sure this is an isometric, like, dungeon-y game. Metroid. This game's amazing. Turtles... Oops. Turtles 3 Manhattan Project. This game's incredible. And Tetris 2. So yeah, I'm gonna use magic erasers to get rid of the grime. Lighter fluid to get rid of all the sticker residue, and a dirty old toothbrush to clean out all the grooves. So I cracked open that Manhattan Project, and the circuit is super gross. Usually I use Q-tips and rubbing alcohol to clean off the grime on the teeth, but this time I'm going to use the sweetest trick of the trade. An old 80s gum eraser. You don't really have to be that gentle. These things can take a serious beating. Awesome. Super clean now. Totally works. All ready to go.
Kiss me, I'm beautiful.
Next up, let's clean this dirty old mess with all the tools I just showed you. It's actually not that dirty. Be careful using magic erasers though. They're basically little sandpaper cubes. If you push too hard, you will ruin like the finish on a lot of stuff. So just be super gentle with it. Do not use magic erasers on this part. You will totally ruin it. Awesome, and that's pretty much the end of my day. It was a super good day. Cleaned a lot of Nintendo cartridges and shined up that NES real nice. You can do the same at home. Just, yeah, definitely be careful with magic erasers. They are little sandpaper cubes. Thank you guys so much for checking these out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that got cut off. I was trying to say subscribe. I'm still learning how to edit, everybody. Oh God, my neighbors must think I'm crazy.